Hello, and welcome to Forest Troll's YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over eco-printing. To start out, you need to make a black walnut vat. These are black walnuts from last fall, which we've frozen and saved for eco-printing. We are also adding some iron vinegar as a modifier. This will darken or sadden the color that the black walnut dyes, and it will help the color adhere to the cotton pieces that will also be dyed in this vat. Black walnut trees can be found all over the southeast. Their nuts are edible, and the hulls dye a lovely brown color. We harvested some fresh leaves to use in the printing process, and we also harvested some smooth sumac. In addition to the sumac and black walnut, we collected white oak, rose leaves, and privet. Experiment with what works well in your area. Lay your item out flat, but remember to always wet your garment or fabric before dyeing. Never dye dry. Lay your leaves upon it in a way that's pleasing to you. But remember, once it simmers, it will be very different. Even if you've worked with the same plant before, depending on the season, the location, it'll dye a different color. That's part of the magic of this process. Once you've laid out your leaves, roll up your item really tight on some sort of stick. Rolling it tight helps to make sure that the leaves have maximum contact with the fabric that you're dyeing. Once it's rolled, get some help to wrap string around it tightly so it won't come unrolled in the vat. These bundles simmered for around 8 hours and then sat in the vat for another 24. Ideally, they wouldn't have sat so long, but it didn't seem to affect them much. Now, this is the best part, the unwrapping. Now is when you get to see how the different plants interacted with the fabric. What sort of silhouettes did they leave behind? What echoes? Is it different than last time you did it? Did you harvest from a different area? You might want to take notes on these things if you continue eco-printing. It'll help you out a lot. Shake your fabric out really well at this point because you want to remove as much plant matter as possible before rinsing. When you're rinsing, you don't have to agitate your cloth all that much. Put it in a bin and let it soak for 15 minutes, and that gets a lot of the iron bath out. Soak and wring out your cloth at least twice, and then it can be put in the washer. Wash wool and silk items on delicate, then lay them flat to dry. Cotton and linen items can go through their normal wash cycle. Now is when you can really admire the plant's work. The colors you see now are what will stick around. So we have beautiful black walnut leaf silhouettes, sumac outlines. We have the color of the iron vat itself. We have some resist from different layerings of plants. There's a lot going on in these prints. So please try this at home and tag me at ForestTrollArt on Instagram or at Forest_Troll on TikTok. I can't wait to see what y'all make. Have a wonderful fall.